Hi! In this video, I will teach you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing data and software. So the first step that we need to take is we need to head over and click on the search bar right here, and you can see in here and search for PC Health Check. So if you don't have that app yet, you can just download it from Chrome. So just click on open right here, and then this will open the app. So let's just wait for that. So in here, it will actually show you your actual specs and also how many years old your PC is. You can also see here the storage capacity and also the details and all of that. So you can also check in here if Windows 11 can be installed on your computer. So just click on this right here to check. And then once you have clicked on that, it will show you this. It will show you if your PC can meet the requirements or if your PC doesn't meet it. So as you can see right here, the processor isn't supported for Windows 11 on my computer, so I cannot update it. But if your processor can support Windows 11, then what we need to do next is we need to head over to our Chrome. And then from in here, just search for Windows 11 download. And then just click on the first link right here for Microsoft. And then scroll all the way down until you can see in here the download Windows 11 disk image. So select a download right here. Then just choose this Windows 11, click on download now, and then this will validate your request. Just click on this right here to choose the language. For me, I will choose English right here. Then click on confirm. Then this will validate your request again, and it will show you this one, and you can just click on this. So as you can see, I've already downloaded mine earlier, which is this one right here. So if we can open this in folder. So as you can see, here is my actual Windows 11. So what we need to do is we just need to extract it. So it's to extract it, what you need to do is you just need to right click and then click on extract files. Then after that, you just need to choose where you want it to be extracted. So for example, want it to be extracted on a desktop, or you can also just select a new folder if you want, but for me, I will extract it on my desktop and on a new folder on my desktop. After that, just click on OK, and then in here you can see the extracting process of that. So after this finish extracting, we can now actually head over and try to install Windows 11 from the setup that will be extracted on the folder. So right now, let's head over to the new folder. Then as you can see, here is the setup of the Windows 11. So you can just click on this setup right here. And after you have clicked on that, it will open this one. Then after you have opened this, you should be able to update Windows 11. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.